Hi YouTube, Tim here. In this video we're looking at finding the next term in arithmetic sequences. So an arithmetic sequence increases or decreases by the same amount from one term to the next term. So let's look at problem number 1. What is the next term in the sequence? And then we have our sequence, negative 3, 4, 11, 18. Well, we've got to figure out what the increase is, and we should always check to make sure that we actually do have an arithmetic sequence. So if I take the second term here and subtract the first term, so I do 4 and I subtract negative 3, well, subtracting a negative is like adding a positive, so 4 plus 3 is 7. So here we increased by 7. Let's confirm it. 11 minus 4, that's also 7. 18 minus 11, that's also 7. Okay, so we're going to have to go up to this next term. We're going to have to increase by 7. So we have to take 18 and add 7 to that to get the next term. And 18 plus 7 is 25. So the next term here is 25. Okay, let's try a few more. All right, what is the next term in the sequence? We have 19, and then we go to 16, and then we go to 13. Okay, so it looks like we're dropping. So let's do 16 and take away 19. And if we take away 19, we get negative 3. So we're actually decreasing by 3 each time. And then to go from 16 to 13, you can also see we decrease by 3. So if we go down from 13 to the next term, we'll have to take we'll take 13 and we'll subtract 3 off of it to get 10. So our next term is 10. Okay, let's keep going. What is the next term in the sequence here? So we go from negative 11 to negative 15 to negative 19. All right, so negative 15 minus negative 11. Now when you're subtracting and you have the same sign, so they're both negative, so just do 15 minus 11 is 4 and keep the sign. So we're going down 4 each time because we're getting more negative. And to negative 15 to negative 19, you go down 4 again. So we've got to go down 4 from here. So negative 19, if we take away another 4, we're at negative 23. And when you think of going down, if you want to think of, your number line here, you've got 0 here. Let's say you're at, negative 15 here, and you go down 4. You're going to the left 4. So when you're subtracting, you're going to the left 4. So you're getting further negative. Go to negative 19, and so on. Okay, negative 19, then the negative 23. Might be a little hard to see my scribbles there, but as you subtract 4, you get more negative in this particular case. All right, let's try one last problem. All right, so what is the next term in the sequence? We go from negative 20 to negative 14 to negative 8. So let's do negative 14, and we'll take away negative 20. Okay, so a little trick here. When we are subtracting and we have both the same sign, we'll take the, well, it's actually, maybe I'm not explaining this well. If we take negative 14, we take away 20. The difference between negative 14 and negative 20 is 6. Right, but we're taking away negative 20, so we're adding positive 20, right? So we're going to get a change of plus 6. Okay, so we go plus 6 when we go from negative 20 to negative 14. So if we think about this on the number line here, so we're at negative 20. and we go to negative 14. Negative 14. What's going on here? Negative 14. Huh. That was weird. Negative 14 is closer to 0 on the number line. So, yeah, we're going plus 6 because we're moving right on the number line. So again, negative 14 to negative 8, that's a difference of 6. It's a plus 6. So from here, we have to go plus 6. So if we want to think about this via the number line, let's say we're at negative 8 here. And this isn't really drawn to scale here, but if we go plus 6, really we take 8 minus 6, it goes to 2, but it's negative 2. Right? So we're at negative 2 there. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please give a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.